Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to discuss the topic candy color interior designs. Do you ever look around your home and feel like something is missing? Maybe the space looks fine, but it doesn't feel exciting, cozy or inspiring anymore. And then you scroll through social media and see those dreamy pastel rooms with soft pink sofas, mint green corners, glowing lamps and aesthetic decor, and suddenly you think, why doesn't my home feel like that? Well, that exact trend is taking over interior design right now. It's called candy color interior design, a soft, playful, mood-boosting style inspired by pastel candy shades that instantly make a space feel brighter, calmer, and more luxurious. And the surprising part, you don't need a huge mansion or an expensive renovation to make it work. Even the smallest room can feel stylish and modern with the right candy color combination. What exactly is candy color interior design? Candy color interiors are based on soft pastel shades inspired by candies, macarons, ice cream tones, and dreamy vintage palettes. The most popular colors include baby pink, mint green, lavender, powder blue, butter yellow, peach, soft coral, creamy lilac. These shades create a light, airy, and peaceful atmosphere while still looking creative and visually rich. But here is the mistake most people make. They think pastel interiors automatically look childish or overly feminine. That used to be true years ago, but modern designers are now combining candy shades with minimal furniture, warm lighting, natural textures, and luxury finishes, creating space that feel elegant instead of immature. In 2026, interior design is no longer only about expensive furniture or giant homes. The biggest trend right now is mood-based living. People want homes that emotionally feel good, spaces that reduce stress, corners that look comforting after a long day. That's exactly why candy color interiors exploded online. Platforms like Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram are filled with pastel reading corners, soft pink kitchens, mint green bathrooms, peach tone bedrooms, colorful curved furniture, cloud-inspired decor, warm ambient lighting, because people are tired of spaces that look cold, dark, and lifeless. They want homes that feel happy. Because colors directly affect emotions, soft pastel shades make a room feel more peaceful, more open, more creative, more comforting, more luxurious without looking heavy. For example, a soft lavender bedroom can feel calming and relaxing. A peach tone living room feels warm and welcoming. A mint green kitchen instantly feels cleaner and fresher. Even small apartments start looking bigger because lighter tones reflect more light naturally. And honestly, these interiors also look incredibly aesthetic on camera. That's one reason influencers and content creators love this trend so much. This is the part most people get wrong. If you use too many bright pastel colors together, the room can start looking messy or childish very quickly. The secret is balance. Here's what designers are doing now. Choose one main color. Instead of using 5 pastel shades everywhere, choose one dominant tone. For example, soft pink and white, mint green and beige, lavender and cream. This keeps the space clean and elegant. Add warm lighting. Lighting completely changes how pastel colors look. Warm lamps, sunlight, hidden LED strips, and soft table lighting make soft candy interiors feel cozy and luxurious instead of flat. Cold white lighting can ruin the entire aesthetic. Use curved shapes. One of the biggest trends right now is curved furniture, rounded mirrors, cloud sofas, circular coffee tables, wave-shaped decor. All of these make candy interiors feel soft and modern. Sharp edges make the room feel colder. Mix soft colors with natural textures to avoid an artificial look. Combine candy shades with wood textures, linen fabrics, soft rugs, ceramic decor, plants, grass, and accents that creates a more mature and stylish finish. Easy ideas you can try in your own home. You don't need to redesign your entire house overnight. Small start can give you a huge change. Bedrooms, pastel bed sheets, soft pink curtains, warm bedside lamps, cloud cushions. Living room, Mint green throw pillows, peach-toned wall art, curved mirrors, cream furniture with pastel accents, kitchen colored mugs and plates, pastel storage jars, soft blue cabinets, warm under cabinet lights, study corner, lavender desk setup, cute ambient lamp, minimal pastel stationery, soft mood lighting. Even tiny changes can completely transform the vibe of a space. Why this trend feels different from older interior styles. Older interior focus heavily on showing wealth, dark marble, heavy furniture, gold overload, complicated designs, but candy color interiors focus more on emotions and comfort. They feel softer, calmer, more personal, more creative, more relaxing to live in daily. And honestly, after years of dark minimalistic interiors dominating social media, people are now craving warmth, softness, and personality again. That's why this trend is going so fast. Candy color interior design is not just about pretty colors, it's about creating a home that changes your mood moment you walk in, a space that feels lighter, happier, more creative, more peaceful, and the part which is best, you don't need a massive budget to make it happen. Sometimes all it takes is better color choices, so for lightening, creative styling, and a little personality. Because in the end, the most beautiful homes are not always the most expensive ones. They are the homes that actually make people feel something. So share your opinions about this idea of candy color interior. Thank you.